Oh, yeah, you're right. Like, his mouth and his lips are like, it's just, he's brand new. Everything's white and pink. And he can't keep his eyes open very long.
Do something.
I know, do something cute. Roll over again. Roll over.
Oh, here comes Mommy and brother.
Oh, something piqued his interest.
He's just chilling. Oh, he can't keep his eyes open.
Oh.
That's gotta be their noise. Yeah, their baby. I just want him to like roll over again or
He looks
something.
more like a sheep to me.
I know, it's so cute because he's so white.
Yeah, sorry. He's all limbs.
Oh.
It's like my head's getting heavy.
Oh.
Oh.
What are you gonna do? What is it doing with its neck?
He doesn't know.
Roll over again. Do something funny. I cannot be comfortable.
His face scratches like, oh, like that.
Maybe he's sleeping. I'm just trying not to lay his head down. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, his head keeps like dropping. And
Oh, I know. Oh. Do you see his little foot?
Yeah.
His little foot was like twitching. Oh, I think he is sleeping. Look.
Oh,
Oh, poor thing. His eyes are closed. He's definitely sleeping.
Yeah.
He just can't get his head up.
Oh,
Ooh, here it comes. Here it comes up. Ooh.
Oh.
He can't find a comfortable place for his head, poor thing.
Oh, oh, oh. Mm.
Is that him snoring, maybe? That noise?
Oh, wait, there
Is
we
it
go.
going? Is it going?
Wait for it.
Go.
Oh, no.
Oh, now he's up. Oh. Are you gonna get up?
I think his blanket's like coming off. It's part of him. That's so cute.
Are you gonna get up? Do something funny.
He's like, no, I'm trying to sleep.
And I was like, I'm new. Leave me alone.